What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of me making shit. Hi, today we're gonna make paper. Today we're gonna do it the economy version, so all the supplies that I'm getting is going to be from the dollar store. So let's get on with it. The materials you will be using today are one splash guard, one picture frame with the back and glass taken out of it, a roll of paper towels, something to roll out your paper with. You can use a beer bottle or pasta jar. I'm using this clay roller. So get yourself something to cut on. I'm using the underside of my cutting board, and lay your frame down on your splash guard using a box cutter. You're gonna press the frame down and then cut along the sides. You have a paper decal. I really would recommend using some tape and taping off these jagged edges. There are quite a few. I'm not a good example for safety, but I want you to be the example that I didn't set here today. So the first thing you have to do when you're making paper is fill up a tub of water, and then I have to let all of my paper soak in there for 4 to 6 hours. So I'll see you guys in 4 to 6 hours. Now that we have our kind of loosely pulped paper, we want to blend this. The first thing I did was add some gold leaf to my water. I also added about 1 or 2 giant spoonfuls of paper pulp in there and then blended it up so that all the little gold pieces could get incorporated into the paper. You can really add whatever you want in paper. It's pretty versatile as long as it's kind of thin. And once you have a good layer of paper on there, you just want to place a paper towel down to get some of the excess moisture off. The way that I found best to get the paper out was just to tap lightly on the back of the screen and then remove the frame. I give it another roll just to make sure it's flat. If your paper has wrinkles in it, it will dry with wrinkles. And you're just gonna keep repeating this process until you have as much paper as you can possibly handle. I also added glitter to mine because the gold leaf wasn't enough for me. And this is how they turned out. I think that they're really cute, and I'm definitely going to be making more.